Here's a great snack idea using berries. I'm going to make popsicles with 3 varieties of berries and some yogurt. Now into a small blender, I'll add some fresh, ripe raspberries, so 1 punnet, along with a generous handful of strawberries. And we'll just take the tops off the strawberries and pop them straight into the blender. You want about half of this punnet. And now pop the lid on. And we're just going to blend this until it's a chunky puree. Fabulous, look at that colour. Now, if you like, you can add blueberries to this or blackberries. I'm going to be using blackberries, but I don't like to blend it together because it goes a purple colour. I really want the distinction between the pink colour and the purple colour. So what I'm going to do is chop these beautiful blackberries. Have a look at that. That is just divine. And I'm going to cut them into chunks, and that way when you present it, it really does look like mixed berries. And the lucky last one, fabulous. I'll place these into a large jug. This is just going to make it easier to pour into the moulds, along with our pureed red berries. And then to bind everything together, I'll add a spoonful of Greek yogurt, and for some extra sweetness, some honey. This is a really healthy snack. Now we'll just fold everything together. Wonderful, now we can place them into our popsicle moulds. So these you can get from all good homeware stores. I've also seen them at supermarkets sometimes. And then putting it in a jug like this makes it so much easier. Now carefully pour this into a mould, then they go into the freezer for a couple of hours, or even better, overnight. Now these have been in the freezer for a while. You can see that they're set. And the best way to take these out is just to have some hot water on standby. Just quickly place it in the water, and then in theory, this should come away quite easily and detach. Ta-da! Just like that. Really simple popsicles to make at home. The best thing about this is you know what you've put in your popsicles. Here we've got lots of fresh berries. I love the contrast with the pureed berries and the chunks of blackberries, just fantastic. You can present it on a pile of ice like this, or if you're very impatient like me, just dig in straight away. Very good.